A year and a half ago, we travelled a bit north of Oslo in Norway and discovered our very first airplane wreck. That was such a fascinating experience. We felt a bit like Indiana Jones, discovering some hidden treasure out in the forest. And a bit after that, we heard some rumours that one of the best preserved airplane wrecks in Europe is located here in Norway, up on the plains and the mountains. So we are heading over there now to see if we can find it. So it's end of July now, almost the hottest part of the year, and there's snow.
Yay, Norway!
We've done 1.5 kilometers so far. We stopped at the cabin up here. How are you feeling?
Good! Quite good.
There's
The weather is nice, it's quite windy. Apart from that, it's perfect weather for a hike.
We have about 6.5 kilometers left to our destination at the airplane wreck. Yeah, we made a wrong turn back there. Realized that after a bit too long. Thought we could correct ourselves by crossing into the open area here. Turns out it's very moist, it's very wet. So now we're kind of just walking around trying to find somewhere to cross. But this is going to take quite a lot longer than expected. We finally found the path again, and now we can continue to pick up the pace. We'll probably have about 2 to 3 kilometers to go, and then we'll be by the wreck. It's probably very hard to see on the camera, but over there is something pointing out of the horizon that may be the airplane wreck. About 2 kilometers away from here. We can definitely see the wreck now. We must be about 300 meters away from it. We're really looking forward to this. Tent now. This is such an amazing place. The airplane wreck is way more intact than we thought it would be. There's just absolutely no other people around here, and the landscape is just stunning. We found the wreck now, but it's only really half a wreck. So we did some research, and allegedly the tail part of the wreck should be located somewhere down in the valley below here. So most of the wreck is gathered in these 2 locations, the front and the tail part, but everywhere we also find some debris. We have now found the tail. It's quite big as well, but not nearly as big as the rest of the wreckage.
Piece of the wreck, and I don't know which part this is, but those look like windows and this looks like a door hinge. So this might be part of the front of the cockpit, maybe. Or just behind where all the passengers would get on. I think. I don't know. What do you think?
We are back and I'm very happy to see that our camera is still there. So no one's taken it. And hopefully just finish the time lapse too.